Welcome to the TopPick lab. The best happy birthday balloon is probably one of the most essential decorations for any birthday celebration. Whether you're planning a party for a child, a teenager, or an adult, a vibrant and eye-catching balloon can instantly elevate the festive atmosphere. In this video, we'll dive into the world of birthday balloons, exploring different types, sizes, and materials to help you choose the perfect one for your special occasion. Number 5. TONIFUL 3D Gold Happy Birthday Balloons Banner. Looking for the perfect party decoration? This banner is ideal. It's a great way to show the birthday person how much you care. The package includes 15 happy birthday letter balloons, a straw, and a ribbon. Each letter balloon measures about 16 inches. Made of high-quality aluminum foil, it's safe and self-sealing. This helps the balloons last for nearly a week without losing air. Use it for birthdays, weddings, baby showers, or any other celebration. It's suitable for decorating parties for babies, kids, and adults. Hang this foil banner in your kitchen, living room, or party room. It's a simple way to make the birthday boy or girl feel special. What we like? This banner is reusable, making it a great value for future celebrations. It's also easy to inflate, saving you time and effort. If you're planning multiple birthday parties or like to be prepared for any event, this is a fantastic choice. What people say? Super cute, easy to inflate and stay inflated for a long time. They are very durable, but they are still balloons, so you have to be careful not to puncture them. The size was larger than expected, and they made a big statement for the party. Number 4. Gold Happy Birthday Balloons Banner 16-inch. Looking for the perfect birthday decoration? This banner is ideal for any age. It's a great way to make the celebration extra special. The package comes with 13 happy birthday letter balloons, a straw, and a ribbon. Each letter is about 16 inches, making it a noticeable decoration. Made from high-quality, eco-friendly aluminum foil, this balloon set is safe and long-lasting. The self-sealing design keeps them inflated for about a week. Whether it's a birthday, baby shower, or wedding, this banner fits all. It's suitable for indoor and outdoor events, adding a festive touch. This happy birthday banner is perfect for kids and adults. Display it in the kitchen, living room, or party area to show how much you care. What we like? Made from eco-friendly materials, this banner is a responsible choice for the environment. The self-sealing feature ensures it stays inflated for a long time. If you're looking for a party decoration that's both stylish and sustainable, consider this one. What people say? The gold color looks bright and elegant, and the 3D letters make the decoration stand out in photos. The material feels durable, and the balloons were easy to inflate and hang. Just as pictured, so easy to inflate and look great for pictures. Number 3. PartyWoo Gold Balloon Arch Kit, G101. This PartyWoo Gold Balloon Kit is perfect for any celebration. It includes a variety of sizes to create beautiful arches, garlands, and centerpieces. It will make your event unforgettable. The kit contains 18-inch, 12-inch, 10-inch, and 5-inch gold balloons. You'll have everything you need to decorate for birthdays, weddings, and more. Remember that the small ones cannot float with helium. Made with thick, high-quality latex, these balloons are built to last. They will stay full for a long time, ensuring your decorations look great throughout your event. This ensures your decorations stay perfect from start to finish. Fill these metallic gold balloons with air, and they'll stay inflated for up to 72 hours. They have standard necks for quick inflation. It is easy to use and bring joy to your party. Do not overfill the balloons and avoid direct sunlight, heat, and sharp objects. Inflate them to your desired size and enjoy your party. Always be careful when using them. These gold balloons are ideal for graduations, baby showers, weddings, anniversaries, and more. They will make any event more memorable. It is perfect for your party. What we like? This kit offers a variety of balloon sizes, allowing for creative and custom decorations. The durable latex material ensures they last throughout your event. If you like to create a unique and eye-catching party atmosphere, this is the perfect option. What people say? They inflated easily with a standard balloon pump, making the process quick and straightforward. The variety of sizes helped create a full, well-balanced arch. The balloons looked polished and professional once assembled, perfect for celebrations where you want a more elevated look. Number 2. Gala supplies gold happy birthday balloons banner. Looking for a party decoration that's both stylish and eye-catching? This cursive balloon banner is perfect. It will refine the look of your party. Want to create a brilliant atmosphere? These shiny and elegant decorations are the perfect choice. They will make your celebration unforgettable. Need a decoration that's both convenient and eco-friendly? These versatile balloons can be easily inflated, deflated, and reused. It's a great choice. Worried about the setup? Don't be. The package includes straws to fill them up and a ribbon to hang them. It's all you need. We are confident in the quality of this product. Gala Supply's party balloons are designed with superior craftsmanship and come with a guarantee for a risk-free purchase. What we like? This banner features a cursive, stylish design that will elevate the look of your party. The shiny, elegant decorations create a brilliant atmosphere. If you are looking for a sophisticated and reusable decoration, you should consider this one. What people say. Perfect for birthday decor. Visually made a great decoration that made an impact visually. Easy to assemble and inflate with straw that came with the packing. I hung the banner on the wall above his bed with his presents underneath, and it made the whole setup look really thoughtful. The balloons stayed inflated all day, and the whole set was easy to assemble and held up well with just tape. Number 1. iPartycool Birthday Decorations. This unique birthday decoration set is designed especially for you. Featuring a golden theme with gold star balloons, it's sure to illuminate your birthday celebration. The color combination and festive ambience will leave a lasting impression on your guests. The 3D Happy Birthday banner is made of premium aluminum foil, ensuring durability and breakage resistance. These birthday balloons are reusable and non-toxic. They undergo rigorous testing for safe use, offering a visually striking display and peace of mind. We provide all the essential accessories, like straws to inflate the balloons. You can easily stick the balloons anywhere with glue dots, saving you time. It's simple to create attractive birthday decorations for your party. You'll receive 13 happy birthday balloons, 6-star balloons, glue dots, ribbons, a straw and needle, plus a customer card. It's perfect for decorating birthday parties with various themes, both indoors and outdoors. We take pride in providing excellent customer service. If you encounter any issues, please contact us, and we will gladly assist you. We are committed to ensuring your satisfaction with this product. What we like? The 3D design adds a unique touch to your birthday decorations. Made of durable material, it ensures longevity and safety. If you are looking for a complete and easy to set up decoration set, this is the one for you. What people say. Each balloon is self-sealing, so as soon as you remove the pump nozzle straw, it seals everything by itself. They last way longer too. They were very easy to inflate. The self-sealing mechanism was also very convenient. The provided thread was very long so the balloons could be arranged in any manner and the provided plastic needle helped with stringing the balloons. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.